Understanding fellowships. There's a few things you need to know when you're in higher ed or you're transitioning from being a classroom teacher to a college professor is that you're expected to earn grants and fellowships and so some funding for your own professional learning and development and projects. So one thing that I found is that fellowships are one way to get professional learning so that I can continue to grow and connect and build my own network. That will enhance my research, but also the people that I serve and the teacher education program that I work for. So a couple things about a fellowship. So one, you apply. So be on the lookout for projects and places and organizations that want you in their program to spread their message and engage in advocacy for their cause. So this summer, I did an anti-Semitism fellowship in DC with George Washington University. I only learned about that within like a week or so of the deadline, and I got on it right away, and I needed a letter of permission from my dean. The other one I came up in January, and I applied in January for the fellowship that I'm going to soon with the Genocide Education Project. So I applied with a letter and a plan for how I would use what I learned in my own practice. Follow me to learn how it goes.